Uyabona, let me teach you the Ndebele click in this lesson. Okay, so Ndebele has many clicks, but let's begin with this one. All right. So here is how you pronounce the X in Ndebele. Okay, it's a sound you make from the back of your mouth. All right. Here are some words that use the sound. Number one, utamu. So utamu is a monitor lizard, a giant lizard. Okay, so we call it utamu. Are you managing to say it like I'm doing? Keep trying, keep practicing. Right, number two, ixoxo. This is a frog. Okay, in Ndebele is called ixoxo. And then number three, isixubo. Isixubo is a toothbrush. All right, isixubo. Now, I'll give you two verbs that use the class sound, and then that way you'll see how we use it in sentences. All right, so the first verb would be ukuxoxa. Ukuxoxa means to chat or to have a conversation. All right, so if you wanted to say grandmother is chatting with grandfather, ugogo uxoxa lokhulu. Okay, ugogo uxoxa lokhulu. If you want to say, come let's chat, come let's have a conversation, vuya sixoxe. Don't you love it when someone just says vuya sixoxe? All right. If you wanted to ask the question, whom are you chatting with? You would say uxoxa lobani. So use this one if you are suspicious of your partner. Uxoxa lobani ku WhatsApp. Whom are you chatting with on WhatsApp? Angithi? Right. And then the second verb I have for you is ukuxuba. So ukuxuba means to brush your teeth. All right? Ukuxuba is how we say it. So if you wanted to say Sandile is brushing his teeth, uSandile uyaxuba. All right? An instruction, go and brush your teeth. Hamba uyoxuba amazinyo. So amazinyo is teeth. Once you say hamba uyoxuba, it's obvious that you're talking about teeth, but sometimes we just want to use amazinyo as well. So if you say hamba uyoxuba, it's the same thing as saying hamba uyoxuba amazinyo. All right, same exact meaning. And then if you wanted to ask the question, when will you brush your teeth? Uzaxuba nini? Uzaxuba nini? And so it's been lovely having you. I'll see you in the next lesson.